All right, when taking the gears off, you take the Allen wrench, put it in the slot for the Allen screw, and you unscrew until you take it loose. Then you're going to take this and turn it backwards, holding this with a pair of pliers, like this. And you're going to unscrew. See, there's some thread on there. That thread holds it onto this thing. Same thing with the underneath. You're going to unthread it. Okay, now we got the two pieces off. And I already see a problem. I already see a problem. I don't know if that's going to fit. Oh, it does. Good. Rock on. All right, so then we take this and we can kind of move this up. And see the Allen wrenches there? So you want to take those, make sure this is on the bottom and straight, touching just the center, and then take your Allen wrenches and tighten it down on the shaft. Like that. Okay. We'll tighten it a little tighter. I'm just giving an example. So if it's a little wonky, that's okay, because once you bend this over, take two zip ties, one on the top, one on the bottom, zip tie it to this piece of metal that you just made, and make sure it's straight. But like I say, if it's a little wonky, it's going to straighten itself out during the roast. And then we'll go into the other part of soldering the two connections. So that takes off the gears. So that's important to get those gears off. If it's like this, that does not have an Allen wrench, then you're not going to be able to use it. You might as well just return it and shop around for another whirly pop that actually, this one's from Great Northern. This one is the genuine whirly pop. So the genuine whirly pop I can't take apart. This Great Northern I can. So just kind of look around and look in the description. Some of them say that these gears are synthetic. This one said it was synthetic, which are these, which you can take off with the Allen wrench. These happen to come not with the synthetic, but with the metal, but I could take them off, so it really didn't matter. The drawback to metal gears when you're doing it manually is those metal gears will bind during the heating process and during the moving that around with the coffee in the roaster. And so they tend to buckle and stick, and it makes it for a miserable experience. So get those off, get a little motor, zip tie it together, and then we'll go on to the next step of soldering it and moving on to the next few steps on how to do this.